Welcome to another round of quiz. Guess the animal by the sound. You will get the sound and you have to guess the animal. Here is the first one. Time's up. Wolf. Next one. Time's up. Tiger. Third one. Hear the sound carefully. It's bear. Fourth. Hear the sound. Time's up. Monkey. Next one. It's an easy one. Yes, it's an elephant. Time's up. Frog. Seventh. Listen carefully. Owl. Hear the sound. Time's up. It's a deer. Ninth one for you. Hurry up. It's snake. 10th one. Focus. Time is running. Yeah, it's a dog. 11th. Yes, it's chimpanzee. Hurry up, time is running. It's hedgehog. Listen carefully. Yes, it's lion. And the second last for you. Time up. Bat. And the last one. It's horse. Great job, guys. See you next time for more such quiz. Like and subscribe our channel.